What up, y'all? It's Harlem Clean back at it with Wealth of Harlem. We are doing a technical analysis on the stock WULF, TeraWulf. And there is a lot of talks about this one, man. It's up 10% today. Anyway, let me do my review and what I think it's going to do here. This chart's hard to... That's nasty. Okay, so what I see this wick. Draw out the wick range. And you can see it respected the consequent of encroachment, which is the 50% of that wick. Ooh. So I'm watching this level right here. Big level. Six-month chart is bullish as fuck. Okay. Really, really bullish. And so based on my projection levels, drawing the projections. So the next 6 months, this is a good target. 34.41 right here. 38.99 is a good second target, but definitely if it wants, it can just rip the 100 easy, especially a stock that was that volatile, up 100%. 100%. I mean, it was up 100% too the last year. Okay. Anyway, let's get rid of those. 3-month chart. Okay, this is just like this is a hyped up one, Oh yeah. So right here would have been a pretty nice entry for longs because it usually taps into these fair value gaps, which it did. You see it tapped in and now it's shooting up. So right here is always a good time to buy. Okay, the weekly. It made its low. Usually the market makes its low of the week on either Tuesday or Wednesday. And then Thursday is usually the reversal, but usually Tuesday or Wednesday it makes the low of the week. And you can see this week, Tuesday, it's the low right now. Doesn't mean this still can't take an ish, but it already took out this sell side liquidity. Some gaps down here it could get to if it really wants to, but it's a pretty nice move down right there. 4-hour chart, weekly. So this is what I'd be watching. If you can enter in now if you want, on a hope and prayer, because I don't know what this is going to do. This is very, very volatile. And so I'd watch this. This is my risk. If we get below this box, I'm out. And then I'm taking this up to probably the highs. It's good risk to reward. If not, like I said, those targets, which is like 40 something, 41 or whatever, and then the other one was 48, and then this is all-time highs right here, 43.98. Let's go back to the 12-month chart. Closed. That's good right there. Closed above this fair value gap. That's bullish. It inversed it, right? So use that as support. It should bounce it and launch it up, which it did. Right. I wish this had like a 60-year chart, man, so I can see what is this? I need to see this on a bigger time frame. Let me draw out my 2020 open there. Damn, we closed. Ew. That was a nasty ass. Okay. So this is basically the 5-year wick now. I don't know which one's higher. We'll go with that. So this is even stronger than that one before. But if you really want, you can draw your lines in there. And now we got levels. These are all price levels. So you can trade off the price level. If we break, you take it to the next price level. If we break below, you get out, or you short, or whatever the fuck you do on the opposite side. Excuse my language. So you can see we didn't close above this level. But we're on our way up. We did on the weekly, I'm sure. We did up here, and then now we close below. So you can expect price to come down a little bit. Yeah, you can get in, and like I said, your risk is this blue box, which is an order block. Let's check it out on the weekly, though. So basically, this wick's an order block. Because I already took out that low. Those lows right there. Liquidity. Fuck. There's a gap right here it could hit. There's a high right here it can hit. I like using the wicks of these big volumes. You see this big volume spikes? These are, there's a lot of liquidity in these, right? So I like doing the highs of this. These are like good targets and good lines to use. Did we take it out? We didn't. So these would be good targets. Anything with the big line. Right, and you can see this wick lines up with this line. Boom! Am I in this? You can get in, but like I said, I take my profits. I'm very quick trader. I'm looking for the next trade, right? I'm in, I'm up 1%, I'm out. Because the thing is, if you can make 1% a day, I mean, and that shit just compounds over time, you're a rich man. You can turn 3K into $2 billion. But that's the way I look at it. I'd rather make my 1% today than sit and hope and pray that it doesn't go against me for it to go up 10%. That's a big move, right? I don't need 10% a day. That's hard. That means you're calling every type of nice spike move. It's damn near impossible. I mean, then you got you dumb fucks that bought up here. Why would the fuck would you ever buy something up here? You can. But once the fucker starts coming down, you get the fuck out. You don't hold till it comes all the way. You got some dumb fucks that did that. They bought up here at $43. Let me clear the chart because I'm spitting right now. They bought all the way up here, like some dumb fuck, all the way up here. What was that? $43. And then they wait for it to come all the way down here till it hits fucking $0. What the fuck? Hold on. What kind of scam? 66 cents, and those dumb fucks then sold. You're an idiot. If you weren't going to have a stop loss, or at least take your profit, or at least take a loss, why the fuck would you sell at $0? But there's people that did that. And that's just, I feel bad because they don't know better. They don't ever do that. You might as well hold that shit forever. And look what happened. It's back up to 20. I mean, if it's not going your way, just get out, kill the trade, man. You're going to sit in there till what? You don't control the market. You don't know where it's going, you dumb fuck. News controls the shit. Algorithms go off news. That controls the shit, man. I mean, look at this shit. Oh, we're going up. Do you think that's a healthy move up? And then we go all the way down. I didn't call that. I'm just saying. It's up here. You're up a lot of money. Take your money. Or set like a stop that, okay, if it hits here, I'm happy with this amount. Boom. even though it could take you out and then rip up even more. It's the greed. It's greed. I got one word: greed. Anyway, I'll do it. Help me like, subscribe. Give me to Miami. Comment what you want to see down below. More. I'll be doing this every day. I find joy and peace doing this, talking shit. Yeah. Like, subscribe. Have a good Miami.